Hi, hello, welcome to our Kavi's Pharma Topic channel. In this video, we are going to see about the communication skill subject, chapter number 7. Okay, chapter number 7, effective written communications. In this, you want to more importance to give to study introduction part, when and when not to use written communication, amount of discussion required, sets of meaning, formal communication. These are the parts you want to study in effective written communication. Okay, let's see the important questions one by one. First question, what is written communications? Okay, you want to write a note on written communication. Then second one, write the importance of written communications. Okay, you want to write the importance of written communication. Third question, what are the types or forms of written communications? You want to write internal written communication and external written communications. Okay, you want to differentiate. The questions may ask other types, highlight the different types of written communications. You want to write the types of written communications. Okay, you want to differentiate both internal and external written communications, and also write the brief about the internal and external written communications. Third question. Fourth question, write a note on business letter and proposals. Fifth one, write the advantage and disadvantage of written communications. Okay. Sixth question, when to use the written communications. Seventh one, when not to use the written communications. Eighth question, explain the complexity of topic in written communications. Ninth question, what amount of discussion required for writing? You want to write spontaneous discussion and planned discussion on controversial topics. 10th question, what do you mean by sets of meaning? In this you want to write the formal communications, types of formal communications and characteristic of formal communication. 11th one, what are the advantages of formal communications? You want to write the advantages and also write disadvantages. 12th question, what are the different styles of writing? Or questions may ask, what are different methods of writing? These are the expository writing, descriptive writing, narrative writing. Okay, and also write the principles of effective writing. And then following aspects should be considered while expressing any ideas in written communication form. Okay, 13th one, what are the principles of effective writings? You give the answers, the basic features of effective writing. Okay, the questions may ask in 2 marks or 3 marks. Then 14th one, last one, process of writing. Explain the process of writing. You want to write the writing process generally involves in pre-writing, writing and post-writing. Okay, you want to write the pre-writing phase, writing phase and revising phase. In revising phase, you revising for clarity, proofreading, evaluating the outcome. These are the important questions in 7th chapter.